Okay, g'day viewers, we're back recording again. So just a couple of little rides we've done over Christmas and New Year. So Happy New Year to you all, and let's hope we have lots of good adventures in 2022. Alright then, on with the show.
Recording.
Now we're recording.
Woohoo!
Alright, how are you feeling on your second ride?
Great.
Great?
Yeah, great.
No
yeah.
dramas?
No dramas.
Well, I think we're going to get wet though. You might not enjoy that.
No, let's just wait and see.
Alright,
Okay.
clear the prop. Oh, it's looking pretty miserable.
Oh no. It said 12 k's to Camden, so it's not too far.
It's not far, no.
We might be able to sit out the rain in a nice cafe.
Yeah. It's nice and green though, isn't it?
It's beautiful. So many times we've driven down here and it's been the opposite.
Yeah, brown and crisp, but now it's green and lush.
Beautiful.
It's like the hills of Tipperary.
Yeah, it is. This is an angle.
Yep.
Yep.
So we're heading from Menangle, we're going into Camden
Right.
to maybe the Fat Cat Cafe. What's the name of that other cafe that you like?
Oh, the elm tree.
Elm Tree, maybe the Elm Tree.
Yeah, it's near the courthouse. There's some beautiful properties out here, isn't there?
Yeah. Yep.
It's atmospheric, riding when it's a bit dark and dreary.
Yeah.
I probably won't be saying that if it buckets down on us.
And the sidecar's filling up with water. It's not too bad. When it's raining, it's not too bad if you've get the gear on, because you've got your helmet on.
Yeah.
You don't notice it. Your helmet's like a little sanctuary.
Yeah. Well, when it just
But when it seeps in between your clothes and then you end up sitting in wet, it's not good
that's
then.
horrible, I
Yeah.
imagine.
And then, well, it can happen on a warm day as well. If your boots get full of water, especially the first creek crossing, and your boots get full of water, and then you got wet feet all day.
Oh, wet socks is kids.
Yeah, and then you take your feet off, they're like white prunes.
Yeah. That makes you appreciate a lovely warm shower.
Yeah.
Recording.
Okay, we're recording now. The lovely jacarandas of Camden.
Recording.
Okay, we're recording now.
Okay.
Okay, g'day viewers. We've been out for a nice coffee this morning at the Settlers Cafe, and we've just visited the Rock. Say good morning, viewers.
Oh, hello, viewers.
This is your third
It's Joanne the wife.
ride in the Ural.
Third time, yep.
Yeah. How you going? All right?
Yeah, good. We got rained on.
Yeah. Survived the rain.
Survived the rain. Had a bit of an adventure.
Yeah. Now we're heading home, and the sun's come out, so that's good.
Yeah. Beautiful day now.
Yeah. Okay, well, we'll catch you later. Maybe we'll see you on the way home. Bye for now.